What's up YouTube, back here again with another video, and today we are out here for the maiden flight of the flosstyle. Alright, the hyperlight flosstyle, and also the Heliospring IMU F4 flight controller. It's got the F3 and all that other crazy stuff. If you watch my channel, you know that we got this guy working here. So we got it on this frame with the T-Motor F60 Pro 2s, 2500 kV, with some V1S 4.8 props, right? 5 inch by 4.8, whatever the hell ever, all them other damn numbers and shit. We got also have the MMCX version of the, what do you call it, the Unify. So that's something cool too. We're gonna try that out. It's only the race version, so it's only 200 milliwatt, but we're gonna check that stuff out here. Now we're in a new location. I got some cool, fun shit to try out. We're gonna stick the GoPro on the front of this guy so you can see how it goes, see how it flies. I'm also trying like butterflight for the first time. Release candidate 8 on the butterflight, flosstyle, the Heliospring board. We got all kinds of crazy shit happening, new stuff. So we'll throw in some edits. If I gotta say more stuff, I will. I'll let you know once we start flying this guy how I feel about it, and we'll go from there. So enjoy the edits. packs in about so far on this quad here. The floss style with the IMUF on the butterflight. You know, that whole new thing that we had already talked about. By now, you've probably already seen some of the flying footage and all, and this kind of cool little spot we found. As 4 packs in, I like it. It's pretty smooth. It's flying well. I am having some video problems, but that has nothing to do with that other stuff. I think my camera might have a loose sensor or something. Something's weird there a little bit, you know, but that's something else to figure out. But overall, so far, the flosstyle frame, this setup here with the 2500 kV motors on the 4.8 V1Ss, I'm getting on a 1300 milliamp hour battery, I'm getting 4 minutes easy. 4 minutes easy. So there you go. Change some props. You'll see the footage. Me and my buddy are out here flying. You'll see him in there a little bit. I'm gonna keep ripping. I'll add some more stuff in. We're gonna be switching over to the good old faithful hyper low, because why the hell not? I love this thing. So here we go. Let's do it.